The Triton range of routers has something for everyone. If you're looking for a router that's powerful enough to cut through the toughest timbers, or lightweight enough for delicate detailed work, Triton has you covered. The TMNRTR is a compact trim router and perfect for edge work and a fine finish. The MOF001 is lightweight and easy to control, yet tough enough to handle the most demanding handheld jobs. And the TRA001 is full of power and gives professional results when slab flattening or when mounted in a table. All the routers are router table compatible and are best suited to the TWX7 RT001. Built-in router lifts and micro-depth adjustments help all the routers with precise and accurate cutting when table mounted, with dust extraction and clear guards for a cleaner, safer operation. Variable speed control and soft start are featured across all the routers. A 3-stage turret helps with consistent cutting, allowing for preset depths and stepped cuts. Those are all the features the routers share, but here's what makes them different. The lightweight compact TMNRTR has an 880 watt or 1.25 horsepower motor. It comes with two bases for unlimited possibilities, a plunge base with 40mm range and a trimmer base with a roller guide attachment, so any bearingless cutter can be used for edge routing. Weighing less than 3 kilograms, the TMNRTR is incredibly light and easy to use, especially with the on-off rocker switch. A max cutter shank of 1/4 inch also comes with a parallel fence accessory in the box. Both the MOF001 and the TRA001 are dual mode routers, easily switching from fixed base mode with the rack and pinion height adjustment to a conventional plunge router. The MOF has a 1400 watt or 2.25 horsepower motor, and the TRA001 has a 2400 watt or 3.25 horsepower, both very powerful, but the TRA having a little more grunt. Both can be used handheld and table mounted, but the MOF001 is slightly lighter at 4.8 kilograms compared to the TRA001's 6.4 kilograms, making the MOF slightly easier to control for handheld work. Automatic spindle lock allows for uncomplicated single spanner bit changes above the table, and with the included table height winder and built-in router lift, both routers are exceptional when table mounted. Both have NVR or no voltage release. If you'd like to know more about NVR, check out this video. A max cutter shank of 1/2 inch and compatible with a range of collets, 6, 8, 12mm, 1/4 and 1/2 inch. Safety lockout covers help protect the rocker switch from dust and accidental starts. So, whether you're looking for a lightweight, versatile router to a heavy-duty powerhouse, the Triton router range has something for everyone.